In this video, we'll show you how to install Enable All Interiors mod for GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So this mod unlocks hidden and unused interiors around Los Santos, letting you explore places from GTA 5 online that are inaccessible in GTA Story Mode. But please note that this is for Story Mode only. Alright, first let's download the necessary files. I'll put all the link in the description below. So the first, we'll download Enable All Interiors. You can get it on GTA5mods.com. Here, just hit download and then click download again, and then the download should start. And next, we also need Lemon UI. Here, just hit download and click download again. Next, we need Scripthook V. So just click the link in the description, scroll down, and then click the download link. And then last but not least, the scripthookv.net. Go to the GitHub page, and here just download the latest scripthookv.net. Now you'll have these files: Enable All Interiors, Lemon UI, scripthookv, and scripthookv.net. And also to install the mods, you'll need your GTA 5 directory. To find it on Steam, you can go to Library and find GTA 5, right click, select Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. On Epic Games, you can go to Library, find GTA 5, click the three dots here and select Manage, and then click the folder icon to open your GTA 5 directory. So now you have your GTA 5 directory and all the zip file that we need. So first, let's install scripthookv and scripthookv.net. You can open up the zip file with WinRAR or 7-zip. For this, I'll use WinRAR. Let's open the scripthookv zip file. So just right click and open with WinRAR. Here, open up the bin folder, and inside it, we'll need xinput DLL, scripthookv DLL, and dinput8 DLL. So to install them, you can just put these files into your GTA 5 directory. Let's go ahead and do that. Select them and then drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, just like that. And then for scripthookv.net, open it. Here, select all DLL, PDB, and ASI files, and we'll do the same. Just drag and drop them into your GTA 5 directory. We can delete scripthookv and scripthookv.net zip file. Now we can install All Interiors mod and Lemon UI. Let's open up the Interiors mod zip file. Just like before, right click and open it with WinRAR or 7-zip. Inside it, open the folder, and here we'll need to install this scripts folder into your GTA 5 directory. So select it and then drag and drop it into your GTA 5 directory, just like that. So now you'll have the scripts folder inside your GTA 5 directory. Next, you can open up Lemon UI zip file, and here go to shvdn3 and then select everything inside it and drag and drop it into the scripts folder. So open up the scripts folder and then drag and drop the files from Lemon UI onto the scripts folder. There we go, and everything is done. But before you open GTA 5 on Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings and then make sure you uncheck BattleEye Anti-Cheat, so you're not going into GTA Online with mods and get banned. Now let's go to GTA 5, and once the game has fully loaded, press Insert key on your keyboard to force load GTA Online maps. If you skip this, you'll fall through the map when entering Online Interiors. Now open up your phone, go to Contacts, and scroll down to the bottom, and if you install everything correctly, you'll see Enable All Interiors option, just like that, and it'll open up the menu. Scroll down and look for miscellaneous settings, and here what we need to do is check enable markers and enable blips. And if you open the map, you can see all the interiors you can go to.